Hey you guys, we're gonna jump right into our pepper steak noodle bowl. I'm just showing you guys the seasonings and the sauces, which can be found at your local grocery store, except for the Brass Cuisine seasonings. I'll leave a link for that in the bio. Those are sold online only unless you're in Texas, and they're sold at Pie Burns in Texas, I believe. But yes, black owned company, woman owned company, and the seasonings are amazing, and her shipping is super fast. So yeah, the only thing I didn't show you guys was the beef shaved steak, but we're gonna get right into it. I'm gonna sear that steak in this cast iron wok. You can use a regular wok, you can use a pan. It doesn't matter. Whatever you have on hand, you know my motto. But I'm just seasoning it with my beef seasoning, beef bouillon seasoning. Oh my god, that bouillon is a game changer, you guys. They got the beef, the chicken, and the tomato, and I have all of them, and I love them. So yes, I'm adding the black pepper, and then I'm gonna break them up. I haven't added all the seasonings yet, but you know, this meat cooks extremely fast, and you don't want a big meat mass, so you want to kind of stir it and break it up. And then I'm adding my onion powder and my garlic powder. You don't want to add any salt because those sauces, Asian sauces, are like extremely salty, and you don't want this to be overly salty. That's why when you're mixing your all those sauces that were showed in the beginning, and you know I'm gonna leave the ingredient list down below as always, but when you mix those sauces on the side while this is cooking up, you want to add a squirt of ketchup to it and some brown sugar. The brown sugar is going to balance out all that saltiness, and the Asian sauces have like a umami flavor. So you know, you're hitting that umami flavor, you hitting sweet, you hitting salty. It's a perfect balance of flavor. So now we're taking out our beef, and this beef is only cooked about 95% of the way. It's very thin, so you don't need to overcook it, and it's gonna cook, like finish cooking, once you put it in with the rest of your ingredients. And now we're gonna sear off our peppers. I have green, red, orange, and yellow peppers and onions. I buy them and then I slice them up, put them in a zip top bag, and freeze them for all my meals, because it's just more convenient instead of having to chop every time I cook. So yeah, I'm just gonna saute these, and then you're gonna season them. You season every step of the way when you're cooking, guys. I season them with a little tinge of salt and pepper. The salt will draw out the moisture of the vegetables, and the pepper is just for some flavor. And now we're taking them out and we're adding them to that bowl. You don't need a separate bowl. You can add them to that bowl right with the meat, because it's all going to cook up again. And now I'm about to show you guys the sauce, and you just add it to your wok and let it cook. And once it's cooking, we're going to start on our noodles. I'm using these udon noodles. You can use the quick frozen, I mean, it's not frozen, it's fried. The ramen noodles in the store are fried, or you can use fresh ramen, you can use vermicelli, you can use any noodle you want, but I just had these udon noodles, so that's what I'm using. And these only cook for 4 minutes, not long, so I'm adding them to salted water. Your pasta water needs to taste like a sea, like the sea, salty like the sea, you guys. So while that's cooking, we're adding our beef and our peppers back to our sauce. I'm scraping out all that flavor, and it's gonna cook for the rest of the way in this sauce. And you guys, this is such a quick meal. I promise you, you can do this in about what, 10 minutes, 15 minutes flat. It's so easy. And now we're adding all of our noodles, and then we're just gonna toss to combine, and our meal is done. All you have to do is add your sliced scallions and your toasted sesame seeds, and it's done. It's so delicious, flavorful, and it tastes like something that takes you a long time to cook. And you guys, it cooks so easy. Okay, great for your takeout Fridays, where you don't want to, you know, spend money and you want to know what's actually in your food. So yeah, you guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, become a part of the notification gang. Share this video with your friends, your family, and your enemies. Don't be stingy with me, you guys. Thank you for tuning in, and there are more videos coming your way every Tuesday and Friday at 11 a.m. Thank you for watching. Bye.
I'm so OFF, ICIAL. I got bars like I'm in a cell. She tryna bomb, but I got a